Welcome to the Signalytics dashboard. In this video, we're going to go through the main dashboard, and I'll show you how to navigate your KPIs and how to use the main functions you'll need to know. In the top left-hand corner, where it's blurred out, we have a drop-down menu. In case you have multiple brands set up in our system, you can click the drop-down menu to select your brand. Next to the account menu are some toggle buttons to choose which marketplace or country you have in our system. This will allow you to see a combined view of your KPIs. Moving over to the top right corner, where it says USD is your currency view, you have the ability to choose whatever currency you want to see your sales or costs as. Right next to it is your preset date range. Here you have the ability to choose the view of the last 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60, 90, or the last year. Or we can choose from the calendar the date range we want to see, in case you want to look at a specific week or couple days where you notice a fluctuation in your sales. The bottom of the calendar shows a comparison period. This is where we can select the period we want our graph or KPIs to show how well we are doing compared to the previous period on our calendar. This is useful if you just want to quickly see an overview of maybe a week-over-week comparison on how well we did in our sales ACOS or conversion rate. Let's do a quick run-through of the KPIs that are available. We have our overall sales, total ACOS, PPC sales, our ACOS, spend or cost, number of ad orders, our sponsored sales ratio, cost per click, conversion rate, click-through rate, impressions, clicks, returns, detail page views, shipped cost of goods sold. There are other metrics like ROAS and units sold that are currently hidden, but you can simply click the plus sign on the side and add them if you'd like. You can also remove any KPIs that are unimportant to you that you don't monitor too frequently by clicking the X on the tile. This allows your dashboard to be a little cleaner, and the data can be a little more digestible rather than a full screen of numbers you don't really look at. For the line graph, we only allow 2 lines at a single time because we feel that this is the optimal data to analyze for the average person. Again, if you closed any KPIs that you want back, simply click the plus sign on the very right and add them back in. You will also notice that you are able to view the graphs on a daily level, weekly level, or a monthly level. You can also export this data for your accounting or any stakeholders that may want to see the data in a CSV format. Below the graph, you will see a breakdown of all the KPIs in a chart. If you have multiple countries selected, it'll show them all at the bottom. If you have multiple countries selected, you'll see a breakdown of each country. Remember, you can select or deselect whatever country you don't want to focus on. And whatever main KPI your focus tile is on in a bar graph or a pie chart, depending on which KPI you're viewing. This concludes our tutorial on the main dashboard. If you still have any questions, you can also contact support by clicking the question mark on the very top right-hand corner of the dashboard.